So we're here at the workshop. The workshop was in a way closed for a couple of weeks because there was no electricity, but our team did a lot of effort to get a generator and connect it to the system, and now we're pretty much fully operational. We have an amazing team that hasn't stopped for a minute, and big thanks go to everyone that supported. We've started working on lots of jobs. We're mainly doing service jobs, AC, maintenance, and pretty much anything you want. As you can see, workshop is pretty full, and hopefully one step at a time, it'll get more and more full like it used to be. We have no doubts. And this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to serve you. Our presence is very important for us and for yourself as well. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you very soon.